That crisp white hotel bed might look immaculate, but what you can't see might disturb you. There are items in every hotel room that almost never get properly cleaned, and you touch them within minutes of checking in. When we check into a hotel, we expect everything to be thoroughly cleaned between guests. The fresh towels, made bed, and gleaming surfaces create an impression of complete sanitization. Hotels reinforce this with cards explaining their rigorous cleaning protocols. But housekeeping staff typically have just 20 to 30 minutes to clean each room. Certain items are consistently neglected in favor of creating the appearance of cleanliness. Let's start with the TV remote control. According to University of Houston research, 81% of hotel remotes tested positive for harmful bacteria, yet these devices are rarely sanitized between guests because their multiple buttons and crevices make them time-consuming to clean properly. Hotel room phones are even worse. They often carry more bacteria than toilet seats, with fecal bacteria present on over 60% of samples tested. Like remotes, their multiple surfaces make thorough cleaning nearly impossible within standard schedules. The drinking glasses in your room present another major concern. Hidden camera investigations found housekeepers at even luxury hotels simply rinsing glasses with tap water or wiping them with the same cloth used to clean other surfaces, without proper sanitization required for food service items. Perhaps most shocking, the bedspread or decorative duvet cover. Unlike sheets, which are changed between guests, many hotels only wash bedspreads every few months, despite guests sleeping directly on them. Some housekeeping staff report these being washed as rarely as once per quarter. These oversights aren't simply negligent staff. They stem from systematic industry practices. Housekeepers are typically assigned 15 to 30 rooms per 8-hour shift, allowing just 16 to 32 minutes per room for complete cleaning. This time pressure forces staff to prioritize visible cleanliness, making beds, replacing towels, over thorough sanitization of every item. The problem exists across all hotel categories, from budget motels to luxury resorts. So what can you do? Travel experts recommend bringing disinfectant wipes to clean high-touch surfaces immediately upon check-in. Focus on the remote, phone, light switches, and door handles. For drinking glasses, either use sealed plastic cups or rinse with very hot water before use. Consider removing decorative bedspreads entirely or request a freshly laundered one. Always wash your hands thoroughly after touching high-risk items before eating or touching your face. Understanding these cleaning realities doesn't mean avoiding hotels, just being a more informed traveler. Simple precautions can significantly reduce your exposure to preventable contamination. If you found this revelation eye-opening, hit subscribe for more videos that expose the unexpected truth behind everyday experiences.